Hello everybody, welcome to another LibGDX tutorial. Today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to add some animations into our video game. Currently our player is static and just moves around like this. Now while that's all fine and dandy, it doesn't look very realistic and it doesn't really look as fun. Instead what we're going to do is we're going to have our player have some nice clean animations so that the player can look more realistic and we'll have a lot more fun to play. So without further ado, let's start. Alright, so the first thing you're going to want to do is have the photos for your animations ready. So currently this is how the person looks, right? And when we want him to go up, we're going to want him to go like this. And when he goes down, he's just going to go like this. I also have a left and a right ready so that when they click W or A and D, it'll simply move left and right. Now that we have our images ready, all we're going to do is simply just render these images each time the button has been clicked. So to do that, this is how we're going to do that. Alright, so here we are in our code base, right? So initially what happens is that we render the still.png photo. Now if we go over here into our character controller area, when we click W, all we want to do is simply take the player's variable and re-render a brand new texture. So we're going to go on W and we're going to write up because we want the player to go up. Now we do the exact same thing for S, but we go down. We're going to do the exact same thing for the left and right arrow keys. So for A, which is left, we're going to go left.png. And for right, we're going to go, well, you guessed it, right.png. Alright. Now, another thing we also need to do is that if no button is being pressed, we want the player to be still. So all we have to do right now is just go if, alright, then put a exclamation mark, which means not, if gdx.input.isKeyPressed input.keys.anyKey, then all we want is our player, the player's texture to be simply just still.png. Alright, and now we're just going to run this. Alright, and we're inside of our game, so when we move left, we get left. When we move right, we get right. And boom. As you can see, we now have proper animations. Alright, so yeah, that's how we do animation within LibGDX. Thank you guys for watching. Have a nice day.